Okay, in this video, I am going to show you this problem, so problem solving, and then I'm going to show you a test prep question, and then you are going to solve a problem solving problem and a test prep problem by yourself, okay? So this first problem solving question says, Haley bought a new video game and has this much money left over. How much money does she have left over? We have some coins and we have some bills. So what I'm going to do to help make sure that I count correctly, I'm going to put my little hairs on my money first. That's 2 for a dime, 5 for a quarter, and 1 for a nickel. Now I can start counting my bills. Okay, 10, 20, that's two $10 bills is $20, plus 5 is 25, 26, 27. 27. And I know I'm going to have a decimal with some money because I have some coins. So let's count them. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Haley has $27.40 left over. And I should be able to type in here. So I'm going to do my dollar sign, $27.40. There's your answer. Okay, let's look at this next one. Let me clear this. Let's look at this next one. This is a test prep question. Both of these problem solving and test prep questions are questions that you might see on a test. You might see like on a little quiz that I give you. These are questions how they could pop up on a STAR test. So we need to pay really close attention to these, okay? Autumn has this much money in her purse. How much money does Autumn have in her purse? So I have some bills, I have some coins, and I have some more bills over here, okay? Before I start counting, I'm going to put my hairs on my money. I'm going to give my dime 2. I'm going to give my penny a bun. And I'm going to give my quarter 5. I'm going to give my dime 2. Okay? So I have $10, 11, 12, 13. And then I'm going to count my coins. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57. Don't forget your pennies. They do have an answer choice without your pennies. They're trying to trick you. So your correct answer is letter D, and you can type your answer here, or yeah, I want you to type your answer in the yellow box, okay? Because you guys don't have this little pen like I do on my computer. All right, have fun.